There's someone that's considering reaching out, but they haven't yet, but they have some mental notes, some spiritual notes, some things I should have said, some things I want to say. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Prophetic Diary. My name is Tiny. If you're not already a faithful subscriber of this channel, click on the subscribe button. Everything you need to know about Prophetic Diary is down in the description box. How to sign up for a one-on-one coaching call with myself. If you go to keywitnesses.com under services, you will find services for life coaching, relationship coaching, and also for brand coaching. So make sure that you check out keywitnesses.com. We have our PD Society circles that meet every single Sunday. Last Sunday, we talked about the avoidant personality type, and many people were able to see in their relationships and their situations where, oh man, they didn't know that that person was dealing with such a thing. But now we're going to talk about the ancient personality attachment style and how Satan can get in and try to disrupt and interrupt, use your neediness, your clinginess. We'll talk about it. Join us in the PD Society Circle. And then Saturday at midnight, registration closes for our Face Card Never Declines EXP Esther Prep Masterclass. God is taking us places here at Prophetic Diary. We're going to look like where we're going. So sign up for that. You'll get your ebook key. A lot of people already have. So you could just look for your ebook and the list of tools that you'll need to bring with you next Saturday. And last but definitely not least, we have our PJs and Purpose. Grab your favorite PJs. Join us July 9th. Fun, real talk, journaling, letting our hair down, resetting, preparing for the summer here. The Lord gave me a word, and as you guys know here at Prophetic Diary, this week we've been talking about separation. And some of the spouses are trying to separate their past feelings, their past emotions. They're trying to separate how they've been doing things and handling the relationship with you from how they're truly feeling today. Because how they truly feel about you today is totally different than what they feel when they walked away from you, when they let the relationship go. They could have said so many things differently. They could have handled the situation so differently, or they feel like I should have spoke up sooner. So the Lord gave me a vision of a letter. And in this letter, I don't know, it was like a Google Docs, but it kind of looked like a text message. But whatever it was, this person was drafting up a message, and it was just full of things that they have been processing in their mind for some time, and they're like coming up with this final draft, and they're going to release it somehow through a text message, through a letter, through a DM. I don't know. Maybe they're going to call you, but God is saying it's going to bring clarity, but it's also going to allow you guys to reconnect and separate from the past. And they'll be able to say, you know, I was in a really bad place. I was in a really bad space. I just didn't see and hear and know, you know, but God is asking them to, hey, get those words. A letter can be something official, something heartfelt. And it may be them just letting you know that there's some unfinished business and we need to talk about this. In Habakkuk 2:2, it reads, write the vision and make it plain. Could it be that they're preparing to write out and tell you everything that God has been giving them about the relationship anyways? And also God's meant for me to tell you guys, and this is in Galatians, but don't go weary in doing good and well doing, for in due time, and I believe now here at Prophetic Diary with the word I released yesterday in our Daily Bread video about the bridge. There is a bridge, a meeting of a halfway. God building a bridge of communication. So all these words are coming together, but also that there is just a separation from how they felt, how they once felt, and they're bringing it all together. They have the right words now to say, but they need the right time. A lot of healing has taken place. Transformation and revelations has gone off. So God sent me here to let you know that there's a letter, there's communication. I believe some apologies coming. And it's going to bring a reconnection. It's going to bring clarity and understanding. You guys will be able to thrive in and live in today. And Rhema. And this is a Rhema word. If you feel led to sow into this word, hashtag Rhema. This is a right now revelation and word for you guys. Hope that it bless whoever that it's for. See you on the live a little later.